All right, so today we're diving deep into something that I'm sure a lot of you have heard a lot about lately.
Yeah.
AI.
Absolutely.
But specifically, how AI is changing the game for businesses through automation.
Right.
We're going to explore UiPath's AI Center
Oh, okay.
and unpack how it brings the power of AI into everyday operations for businesses. And, I know
Yeah,
a lot of our listeners are interested in understanding this shift and how it could impact their own work.
absolutely. And I think the best place to start
Yeah.
is by really just grounding ourselves in what AI actually does.
Yeah, for sure.
Forget the sci-fi robots for a moment.
Right.
AI is already working behind the scenes in so many ways that we're familiar with.
Yeah, it's like that magic moment when your email filters out spam or when you get a suggestion on Netflix that you actually like.
Exactly.
That's AI kind of quietly making things run smoother.
Exactly. And those are just the tip of the iceberg.
Yeah.
AI is being used by companies like Uber to dynamically adjust pricing based on demand, by Netflix to analyze viewing patterns and suggest content you'll love, and even by companies like BMW to ensure quality control in their manufacturing processes.
So AI is kind of everywhere already doing all this heavy lifting behind the scenes.
Yeah.
But where does UiPath's AI Center fit into this picture?
That's where things get really interesting.
Okay.
AI Center is all about supercharging the capabilities of something called RPA,
Okay.
or Robotic Process Automation.
Mm-hmm.
Think of RPA as like a digital worker
Okay.
that can handle repetitive, rule-based tasks.
Gotcha.
Now imagine giving that digital worker a brain boost
Right.
with AI,
Okay.
and suddenly it can tackle much more complex and nuanced challenges.
Okay, that's a pretty powerful image.
Right.
But what does that actually look like in practice? Can you give me a real-world example?
Absolutely. Let's say you're in the business of property valuation.
Yeah.
Traditionally, this involves a lot of human judgment,
Yeah.
weighing factors like location, condition, market trends, and so on.
Right. It's not just about crunching numbers.
Well,
It's a lot
exactly.
of intuition and experience involved.
Exactly.
So that seems really difficult to automate. So how does AI change the game?
Well, imagine training an AI model
Yeah.
on a massive data set of property valuations,
Okay.
allowing it to learn from past examples and identify patterns that humans might miss. Suddenly, you have a system that can make highly accurate property valuations,
Wow.
taking into account all those nuanced factors that were previously difficult to automate.
So it's like giving the digital worker a set of expert eyes
Exactly.
to make assessments that were only possible for seasoned professionals.
Exactly. And this ability to handle complexity goes far beyond just property valuation.
Okay.
AI can be used to automate tasks like matching candidates to job descriptions,
Oh, yeah.
analyzing financial data to identify risks, or even personalizing marketing campaigns based on individual customer preferences.
So it sounds like AI is taking automation to a whole new level.
Yeah.
And allowing businesses to tackle challenges that were previously out of reach.
Precisely. And AI excels in 3 key areas
Okay.
where traditional automation struggles:
Right.
dealing with uncertainty,
Okay.
automating highly variable work,
Uh-huh.
and processing unstructured data.
Okay. Let's unpack those a bit. What do you mean by dealing with uncertainty?
So think about tasks that involve making predictions or judgments
Mm-hmm.
based on incomplete or ambiguous information.
Okay.
AI can be trained to assess risks,
Yeah.
forecast trends,
Yeah.
and make complex decisions
Gotcha.
in situations where traditional automation would falter.
So it's not just about following a set of predefined rules.
Right.
It's about adapting and making informed decisions in the face of the unknown.
Exactly.
All right.
Now, when it comes to automating highly variable work, think about tasks like processing invoices
Right.
or analyzing customer feedback.
Right.
These are tasks that involve a lot of variation and require the ability to understand and interpret unstructured data.
And that's where AI's ability to process unstructured data comes in.
That's right. AI can be trained to read, understand, and extract meaning from documents.
Okay.
Emails, images, social media posts.
Wow.
All those messy forms of data that traditional automation struggles with.
So it's like giving the digital worker a pair of superpowered eyes
Yeah.
that can see and understand information in all its messy real-world forms.
That's a great way to put it.
And this is where UiPath's AI Center really shines.
Right.
Providing a platform for businesses to easily integrate these powerful AI capabilities into their automation workflows.
Exactly.
That sounds promising, but I'm sure some listeners might be thinking,
Yeah.
okay, this all sounds great.
Right.
What's the catch?
Well, there are always challenges when implementing new technologies.
Okay.
Things like finding the right talent,
Mhm.
getting buy-in from the organization,
Yeah.
and ensuring you have access to high-quality data
Right.
to train these AI models.
For sure.
But that's where UiPath's AI Center comes in. It's specifically designed to address these challenges and make AI implementation more accessible and manageable.
So it's not just about providing the AI tools.
Right.
It's about making those tools work for businesses in a practical and efficient way.
Exactly. One of the key features of AI Center is its focus on ease of use
Okay.
and transparency.
Oh.
UiPath seems to understand that in order to bring AI to the masses, you need to make it simple and understandable.
Yeah, for sure.
AI Center allows users to drag and drop pre-built AI models into their workflows.
Wait, drag and drop?
Yep.
That sounds almost too good to be true.
It's really quite remarkable.
Okay.
And it's not just about simplifying the technical side of things. AI Center also provides clear visibility into how the AI models are working, what data they're using, and what impact they're having on the business.
So it's not a black box.
Right.
You can actually see what's happening and understand how the AI is making decisions.
Precisely.
Gotcha.
And UiPath uses a really helpful analogy to explain this concept.
Okay.
The hands and the head.
Oh, okay.
They describe AI as the head, providing the thinking and decision-making power, while RPA is the hands, carrying out the actions based on AI's insights.
I like that analogy.
Yeah.
It really paints a clear picture of how these two technologies work together. So the AI is the brain making the smart decisions.
Yeah.
RPA is the muscle getting things done.
Exactly.
Okay. I'm starting to see the bigger picture here.
Right.
But let's dive into the heart of it, AI Center.
Okay.
What's the core function? And how does it actually work in practice?
Well, at its core, AI Center is all about deploying, managing, and improving AI models within automation workflows.
Gotcha.
But what makes it so compelling is its focus on practicality and user-friendliness.
Okay.
It's designed to empower businesses of all sizes and technical backgrounds to leverage the power of AI without needing an army of data scientists.
That's a bold claim.
It is.
Can you give me an example of how a non-technical user might successfully implement AI Center?
Certainly imagine a marketing manager who wants to personalize their email campaigns based on customer behavior.
Right.
They could use AI Center to integrate a pre-built AI model that analyzes customer data and segments their audience into different groups based on their interests and preferences.
Okay.
Then they could easily create targeted email campaigns tailored to each group.
Yeah.
All without needing to write any code.
Wow.
Or have a deep understanding of AI algorithms.
That's impressive. It sounds like AI Center is really democratizing access to AI.
Yeah.
Making it possible for anyone to harness its power.
Right.
But what about businesses that have already dipped their toes into the world of automation? How does AI Center enhance their existing capability?
That's a great question. AI Center seamlessly integrates with existing RPA deployments, essentially giving them a cognitive upgrade.
Gotcha.
It allows businesses to automate even more complex tasks that were previously beyond the reach of traditional RPA, freeing up human teams to focus on higher value work.
Right. So it's not just about automating more tasks. It's about automating smarter.
Exactly.
And tackling those challenges that were previously bottlenecks in the workflow.
Exactly. And one of the most exciting aspects of AI Center is its focus on continuous improvement.
Okay.
The AI models aren't static. They learn and adapt over time.
Oh, wow.
Based on new data and human feedback.
So it's like having an AI assistant that's constantly getting smarter and more efficient as it works alongside your team.
That's a great way to put it.
Okay.
And this ability to continuously improve is crucial for ensuring that AI-powered automations remain relevant and effective in a rapidly changing business environment.
This is fascinating stuff.
It is.
But sometimes it's hard to grasp the real-world impact of these technologies just by talking about abstract concepts.
Yeah.
Remember that hospital you mentioned earlier?
Yes.
The one that achieved incredible cost savings through AI-powered automation.
I do.
Can we dive into that a little deeper?
Absolutely.
Okay.
That case study really highlights the transformative power of AI Center.
Right.
This particular hospital was overwhelmed by paperwork.
Right.
Spending countless hours on administrative tasks that were draining resources.
Yeah, I can picture it. Yeah. Mountains of paperwork, endless forms.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So they implemented AI Center to automate many of those time-consuming tasks. Things like processing patient records, managing appointments, and handling insurance claims.
Gotcha.
The results were remarkable.
Right. I'm on the edge of my seat. What kind of results are we talking about?
They were able to reduce their manual paperwork by a staggering 90%.
90%?
90%.
That's incredible.
It is.
And I'm guessing this efficiency translated into some serious cost savings as well.
You guessed it. They ended up saving a whopping $26 million annually.
Wow.
Simply by streamlining their administrative processes with AI-powered automation.
That's a powerful example of how AI Center can make a tangible difference.
It is.
It's not just about making things a little bit easier.
Right.
It's about fundamentally transforming the way organizations operate.
Exactly, and that's what's so exciting about this technology.
Yeah.
It has the potential to revolutionize industries across the board.
Wow.
From healthcare and finance to manufacturing and retail. Making businesses more efficient, more agile, and more customer-centric.
I'm starting to see why you're so passionate about this.
It's amazing technology.
Yeah, it really feels like we're on the cusp of a new era of automation.
Yeah.
One where AI plays a central role in shaping the future of work.
Absolutely. And the best part is, it's not just for the tech giants or massive corporations.
Right.
UiPath's AI Center is designed to make this technology accessible to businesses of all sizes.
Okay.
Regardless of their technical expertise.
That's a game changer.
It is.
So for our listeners who might be thinking, this all sounds great.
Right.
But where do I even begin? What's the first step they should take?
I think the most important thing is to shift your mindset. And embrace the possibilities. Start thinking about areas in your own work or life where AI-powered automation could make a difference.
Yeah.
What are those repetitive tasks that are draining your time and energy?
Right.
What are those complex decisions that could benefit from the insights of an AI model?
So it's about identifying those pain points where AI can really shine.
Exactly.
Those areas where you could be working smarter, not harder.
Exactly. And once you've identified those opportunities, the next step is to explore the resources available to you.
Okay.
UiPath's website is a great place to start.
All right.
With case studies, demos,
okay,
and even a free trial of AI Center.
Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah, there's a whole world of information out there waiting to be discovered.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I'll make sure to include links to those resources in the show notes for our listeners. But before we wrap up this first part of our deep dive, I want to leave you with one final thought.
Okay.
Don't underestimate the power of curiosity. The more you learn about AI and its capabilities, the more you'll start to see opportunities to leverage this technology in your own work and life.
I couldn't agree more.
All right. So we've covered a lot of ground in this first part of our deep dive, but there's still so much more to discover.
Oh, yeah.
In the next part.
Yeah.
We'll delve even deeper into the world of AI-powered automation.
Absolutely.
Exploring more real-world examples and discussing the practicalities of implementation.
We'll be looking at how businesses are using AI Center to transform their operations.
Okay.
And we'll discuss some of the key considerations for getting started with this powerful technology.
It's going to be a fascinating journey.
It is.
So stay tuned for part 2 of our deep dive into AI-powered automation with UiPath's AI Center.
Sounds good. Welcome back. I'm eager to continue our exploration of AI Center.
Me too.
And delve into more real-world applications.
Yeah, last time we laid the groundwork.
Yeah.
But what really excites me is hearing how AI Center is already making a difference in various industries.
It's truly remarkable to see the range of applications.
Yeah.
One area where we're witnessing a significant impact is in financial institutions.
Okay.
Imagine a bank grappling with the mountains of paperwork involved in loan processing.
Oh, I can picture it vividly. It sounds incredibly tedious and time-consuming.
It is.
Yeah.
But with AI Center, they can automate a significant portion of that process.
Okay.
Tasks like extracting data from documents, assessing credit risk, and even detecting fraud.
Wow.
Can be handled with remarkable speed and accuracy by AI.
So instead of employees drowning in paperwork, they can focus on building relationships and offering personalized advice to clients.
Precisely. It's about freeing up human talent to focus on tasks that require empathy, critical thinking, and nuanced judgment, the things AI can't replicate.
It's not just about replacing human tasks. It's about redefining roles and responsibilities.
Right.
What was once a tedious manual process becomes an opportunity for employees to engage in more strategic and fulfilling work.
Exactly. And this shift in the workplace
Yeah.
also underscores the importance of continuous learning and adaptation.
Right.
As AI takes on more routine tasks,
Yeah.
employees need to be equipped with the skills to thrive in this new landscape.
So things like critical thinking, data literacy, and adaptability become even more essential for navigating this AI-powered future.
Exactly.
It's about working alongside AI, understanding its capabilities and limitations, and finding ways to leverage its power effectively.
Absolutely. It requires a shift in mindset. Yeah.
For both individuals and organizations, we need to embrace lifelong learning and invest in training programs that equip people with the skills to collaborate effectively with AI systems.
It's fascinating to consider how this evolution will reshape industries and redefine job roles. But I'm also curious about how this technology is being applied in other sectors.
Yeah.
What about industries beyond finance?
Oh, the applications are incredibly diverse.
Okay.
For instance, in healthcare, we're seeing AI Center being used to streamline administrative tasks, analyze medical images,
Wow.
and even personalize treatment plans.
That's amazing. So it's not just about improving efficiency, it's about potentially improving patient outcomes as well.
Exactly. Imagine a scenario where AI analyzes a patient's medical history, genetic information, and lifestyle factors to recommend personalized treatment options tailored to their individual needs.
Wow.
It's about leveraging AI to enhance the expertise of healthcare professionals and deliver more precise and effective care. That's truly remarkable. It's a powerful reminder that AI is not just about automating tasks. It's about augmenting human capabilities and finding new ways to solve complex problems.
Precisely. And this power extends beyond healthcare and finance.
Okay.
We're seeing AI Center being utilized in manufacturing to optimize production processes, in retail to personalize customer experiences, and even in scientific research to accelerate discoveries.
It seems like the possibilities are truly endless.
They are.
But for businesses that are just starting to explore AI,
yeah,
where do they even begin?
The first step is to identify those areas where AI can have the most significant impact. This often involves analyzing existing workflows and pinpointing tasks that are either highly repetitive, require a lot of manual effort, or involve complex decision-making.
So it's about looking for those pain points where AI can truly shine.
Exactly.
Those areas where you could be working smarter, not harder.
Exactly. And once you've identified those opportunities,
the
next step is to choose the right AI models for the job. AI Center offers a range of pre-built models that can be easily integrated into workflows. But you can also develop custom models tailored to your specific business needs.
So there's flexibility in terms of how you approach implementation. You can start with pre-built solutions and then customize as needed.
Absolutely. And UiPath provides a wealth of resources and support to guide businesses through this process, whether they're starting from scratch or already have some experience with AI.
That's reassuring. It sounds like they're really committed to making this technology accessible and empowering businesses to embrace the power of AI.
They are, and I think that's key to driving widespread adoption by lowering the barriers to entry. They're enabling businesses of all sizes to experiment with AI, to discover its potential, and to ultimately transform the way they operate.
It's truly an exciting time to be witnessing this technological revolution unfold.
Yeah, it is.
But amidst all this excitement, it's important to acknowledge that some people might be apprehensive about the rise of AI.
You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
It's important to address those concerns and foster open discussions about the evolving role of AI in society.
Exactly. I think a lot of the anxiety stems from a misunderstanding of what AI is and what it's capable of. We need to move beyond those sensationalized Hollywood depictions and focus on the practical ways in which AI can enhance our lives and work.
I completely agree. It's about emphasizing the collaborative potential of AI, highlighting how it can empower humans to be more creative, more strategic, and more impactful in their work.
It's not about machines replacing humans. It's about humans and machines working together to achieve outcomes that were previously unimaginable.
Precisely. And as we continue to develop and deploy AI systems, it's crucial to do so responsibly with a focus on transparency, fairness, and accountability.
That's an important point. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that aligns with our values and benefits society as a whole.
Absolutely. It's an ongoing conversation that requires collaboration between policymakers, industry leaders, researchers, and the public. We need to work together to shape the future of AI in a way that's both innovative and ethical.
This has been an incredibly insightful discussion. And I'm sure our listeners are eager to learn more about the future of this transformative technology.
I agree, and there's so much more to explore. We've only just begun to scratch the surface of this rapidly evolving field.
So for all our eager listeners out there, be sure to tune in to part 3 of this episode, where we'll delve even deeper into the future of AI-powered automation.
We'll be discussing the latest advancements in AI, exploring emerging trends, and speculating about what the future holds for this game-changing technology.
It's going to be fascinating to see where this journey takes us. Until then, keep those minds open and stay curious. Welcome back to the final part of our deep dive into AI-powered automation. We've explored the capabilities of UiPath's AI Center. We've seen its real-world impact. And even touched on the changing landscape of work. But I'm really curious, what's next? What does the future hold for this technology?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? And the exciting part is we're still in the early stages of this AI revolution. What we're seeing today is just a glimpse of what's to come.
Okay, so let's put on our futurist hats for a moment. What trends are you seeing that are likely to shape the landscape of AI-powered automation in the coming years?
Well, one term you'll hear a lot is hyper-automation. It's the idea of automating everything that can be automated, creating end-to-end automation across entire business processes.
So not just automating individual tasks, but orchestrating a whole symphony of automated processes.
Exactly. And hyper-automation goes beyond just efficiency. It's about using AI to optimize workflows, predict potential bottlenecks, and even anticipate future needs.
That's a pretty powerful concept. But what makes hyperautomation possible? Is it simply a matter of more powerful AI?
It's certainly fueled by advancements in AI. Particularly in machine learning, we're seeing algorithms that can analyze vast amounts of data and make increasingly sophisticated decisions, allowing for a level of automation that was unimaginable just a few years ago.
So AI isn't just automating what we do now. It's helping us discover entirely new ways of working and uncover possibilities we might not have even considered before.
Precisely. And that's what makes this such an exciting field. We're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. But there's another trend I find even more fascinating. The convergence of AI with other emerging technology.
Oh, that's something we touched on earlier. The idea of AI emerging with things like the Internet of Things, IoT, edge computing, and blockchain. But I'm still a little fuzzy on how those combinations actually play out in the real world.
Sure. Let's take IoT as an example. Imagine a network of sensors embedded in a factory, constantly collecting data on everything from machine performance to temperature to energy consumption. Now imagine AI analyzing all that data in real time, identifying patterns, predicting potential issues, and even automatically adjusting operations to optimize efficiency and prevent downtime.
So it's like creating a self-aware factory that can adapt and respond to changing conditions without human intervention.
That's the idea. And this concept can be applied to countless scenarios.
Wow.
From managing traffic flow in smart cities to optimizing energy consumption in buildings to even personalizing healthcare treatments based on real-time patient data.
It's mind-boggling to think about the potential. But what about edge computing? Where does that fit into this picture?
Edge computing is all about processing data closer to where it's generated, rather than sending it to a central cloud. This is crucial for AI applications that require real-time decision-making, like autonomous vehicles or industrial automation.
So instead of the AI waiting for data to travel back and forth to the cloud, it can make decisions on the spot. Based on the most up-to-date information.
It's about making AI more responsive, more efficient and more secure, especially when dealing with sensitive data. And then you have blockchain.
Okay, remind me how blockchain and AI work together.
Well, AI systems rely heavily on data, and the integrity of that data is paramount. Blockchain can help ensure that data is secure, tamper-proof and auditable, creating a foundation of trust for AI-powered systems.
So it's like a guarantee of authenticity for the data that fuels the AI.
Precisely. This becomes even more important as we move towards more decentralized AI systems,
Right.
where data is shared and processed across multiple devices and networks.
Yeah.
Blockchain can help ensure that this distributed data remains secure and reliable, fostering trust in the AI's decisions.
It's fascinating to see how all these seemingly disparate technologies are converging to create something entirely new and transformative.
It truly is a remarkable time to be witnessing this technological convergence, and it's important to remember that we're still just scratching the surface.
Right.
The future of AI-powered automation is wide open, full of possibilities waiting to be explored.
It's exciting and a little daunting at the same time. But one thing's for sure, the future is going to be shaped by those who are willing to embrace innovation,
Yes.
learn new skills,
Absolutely.
and adapt to this rapidly changing landscape.
I agree.
That's a powerful message to end on. So as we wrap up this deep dive into AI-powered automation, I want to leave our listeners with a challenge.
Okay.
What seemingly impossible tasks could be automated with the help of AI? Let your imaginations run wild, because the only limit is our own creativity.
And remember, the journey of discovery doesn't end here. There's a whole universe of information out there waiting to be explored. Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
This has been an incredible exploration, and I hope our listeners are buzzing with ideas and a newfound understanding of the power of AI.
The pleasure was all mine.
This is The Deep Dive signing off.